Before buying a CPU cooler for your i7-8700K, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers are frustrated by overheating issues, but finding the right cooler can be tricky when everything seems the same. Product number 1, Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black. First up is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black. Priced at $25.99, this cooler caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive performance stats. If you want a solid, budget-friendly cooler that won't let your i7 overheat, this is worth a serious look. This means it actively pulls heat away from your CPU, helping maintain optimal temperatures even under heavy loads. With an airflow capacity of 42 cubic feet per minute, it's designed to keep things cool without making a lot of noise, something we all appreciate when gaming or working late. Now, some users have mentioned that installation can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with CPU coolers. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, the performance is solid. If you're just looking for something that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and affordable cooler. Skip this one if you're looking for RGB lighting or top-tier aesthetics. At this price point, you really get a lot of value. Now, if the Hyper 212's installation concerns bother you, the next cooler might be more your style. Product number 2, Cooler Master Hyper 212 Pro ARGB. Next up is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Pro ARGB, retailing at just $17.99. Its customizable RGB lighting and solid airflow immediately caught my eye. If you want both performance and aesthetics without spending a fortune, this one's worth checking out. This means it can handle the heat from your i7-8700K effectively while looking great in your build. The dynamic PWM fan allows you to adjust the speed based on your cooling needs, which is a must-have for gamers or anyone running intensive tasks. However, some reviewers have mentioned the RGB lighting could be brighter. Now, I'll be real with you, it might not be the brightest, but if you're more about performance, this cooler does not disappoint. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of style and function on a budget. Skip it if you need a more powerful cooler for extreme overclocking. It's a great deal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious gamers. Product number 3, Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 5. Now let's talk about the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 5, priced at $89.90. This cooler is a beast in terms of performance and noise levels. If you want your i7 to stay cool while keeping your rig whisper quiet, this one is definitely worth a look. This means it efficiently dissipates heat, even when your CPU is stressed from gaming or rendering tasks. Plus, the speed switch lets you toggle between quiet and performance modes, which is super handy depending on what you're doing. But here's the catch, it's a bit on the pricier side. Some users find it hard to fit into smaller cases. However, if you're building a larger setup or a workstation, the investment is worth it for the cooling performance and low noise. This is perfect for you if you need top-tier cooling for heavy workloads. Skip it if you're on a tighter budget or have a compact case. It's a premium option that delivers premium results. If you want something that balances performance and price, stick around for the next cooler which might fit the bill. Product number 4, Thermalright PS120SC ARGB. Next on the list is the Thermalright PS120SC ARGB, which you can snag for $35.90. This cooler combines affordability with stunning ARGB lighting effects. If you want a cooler that looks as good as it performs, this one is a solid contender. This means it efficiently cools your CPU while adding a beautiful glow to your setup. Plus, it's designed with an adjustable fan speed up to 1500 RPM, ensuring you can cater to your cooling needs based on what you're doing. Some users did point out that the build quality could feel a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, at this price, you're getting a lot of features that many high-end coolers offer. If you don't mind a little compromise in materials for a fantastic cooling performance and great looks, this is for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish cooler on a budget. Skip it if you need a more robust build that can handle extreme overclocking. It's a great value for the features you get. Now, if you're looking for something compact yet powerful, the last cooler on my list might be just what you need. Product number 5. Noctua NH-U9S. Last but definitely not least is the Noctua NH-U9S, priced at $69.95. This cooler is compact but packs a punch. If you're building a small form factor PC and want excellent performance without worrying about clearance, this should be on your radar. The NH-U9S features a highly optimized 90-ohm fan that operates quietly while still offering strong cooling capabilities. With its low height of just 125 mm, it fits comfortably in tight spaces without overshadowing RAM or PCIe slots. Plus, it comes with premium thermal paste and an easy installation system, making it user-friendly. However, some users have found it a bit underwhelming in extreme performance scenarios. This is perfect for you if you're working with a small case and want reliable cooling. Skip it if you're planning to do heavy overclocking. It's a solid investment for a compact setup. So there you have it. Those are my top picks for CPU coolers for the i7-8700K. To recap, we've covered a range of coolers from budget options like the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black to high-performance models like the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 5. Each has its strengths, whether that's price, performance, or aesthetics. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and you'll keep your i7-8700K cool and running smoothly.